Right now in a bowl, I've got 3 cups of mozzarella, and we're gonna be adding some Parmesan cheese, just half a bag of that. 1 whole 8-ounce brick of Parmesan cheese. Minced garlic, just some Italian seasoning. Another spoonful, but I'm gonna make a heaping one. And once that is all mixed together, an entire pack of these Hawaiian sweetbread. And you're just gonna make a crisscross. You're not gonna go all the way in, shoving these right into, you've got a little bit inside each one. We're just gonna smush out the rest of it. This is 1 stick of butter, so adding even more garlic. A spoonful and a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit of parsley. Okay, we're gonna stir all over our bread. This is going to go into a 375-degree oven for like 15 minutes. Oh, that cheese is sticking together. Okay, so put that in there. It's a lot.